Welcome to your yoga practice. Start up at the front of your mat in your mountain pose. Big toes can be touching, or you can separate your feet as far as you need to go to feel nice and stable. Bring the weight back slightly so that the pelvis comes into neutral, the tailbone lengthens down. Lift your ribs, relax the shoulders. Breathe here, chin parallel to the ground. Circle your hands together in front of your heart. Close your eyes if you like, or find a gazing point, setting the intention for the day. I am invigorated. So on your inhale, think I am. Exhale, invigorated. If that sounds like too much of a stretch and you're not really believing yourself, you can say, I am open to feeling invigorated. Beautiful. Big cleansing breath. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Let go of everything you walked onto the mat with today. Good. And then inhale, reach your arms up overhead. Urdhva Hastasana, palms touch. Exhale, fold. Arms can go out to the sides. Let the arms and head hang. Inhale, come halfway up to your monkey pose. Flat back, hands can be on the shins. Exhale, plant the hands, step back to plank, top of a push-up. Navel towards the spine, torso's parallel to the ground. Inhale, push forward with the toes so the shoulders come past the wrist, knees down. Exhale, lower down, elbows in. Try to get your chest to land first. Uncurl the toes. Push into the hands as you inhale. Lift the chest, shoulders away from the ears. Exhale, lower down. Curl the toes under. Try to lift the belly first. Inhale, push up to your hands and knees. It's so hard. Exhale, hips up and back. Downward facing dog. Hold here, breathe. Thinking about rolling the upper arms away from each other like you're trying to close the armpits, and then roll the forearms in to keep the knuckles heavy. Sending the hips up and back so you're in a straight line from the wrists to the hips. Beautiful. Now from your downward facing dog, bend your knees. Inhale, look forward. At the end of the exhale, start to walk forward or lightly hop forward. Inhale, monkey pose, flat back, reach the heart forward. Exhale, fold over the legs. Push into the feet, look out in front of you, lead with the back of the head. As you inhale, rise all the way up, palms touch overhead. Exhale, draw the hands down through center. Beautiful. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, fold. Uttanasana. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, plank. Navel towards the spine. Inhale, push forward. Exhale, lower with or without the knees. Elbows in. Try to get the chest to land first. Uncurl the toes. Inhale, back bend. Shoulders away from the ears. Elbows bent. Exhale, lower. Curl the toes under. Lift the belly. Inhale, push up. Exhale, hips up and back. Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. Hold and breathe. Make sure the knuckles are rooting down into the mat so you don't get wrist pain. Take breaks whenever you need to. Good. Walk the feet in a couple inches. Big toes touch. Bend your knees. Inhale, look forward. At the end of the exhale, walk or lightly hop to the front of the mat. Keep the knees together. Inhale, monkey pose, flat back. Exhale, fold. Push into the ground. Look out in front of you. Inhale, rise up. Palms touch overhead. Exhale, hands to heart center. Come back to your affirmation. I am invigorated. Three more. Let's do it. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plank. Try to alternate the feet you step with. Inhale, forward. Exhale, lower. Inhale, back bend. Exhale, lower. Inhale, push up. Exhale, down dog. Hold, breathe. Relax your forehead, relax your jaw. I am invigorated. Take cleansing breaths anytime it would feel good. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Make your way to the front of the mat. Inhale, monkey. Exhale, fold. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, hands to heart. Breathe. 2 more. Inhale, reach up. You got this. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, top of a push-up. Inhale, push forward. Exhale, lower. Inhale, back bend. Exhale, down. Inhale, push up in a straight line. Exhale, down dog. I am invigorated. Good. Make your way to the front of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale all the way up, palms touch. Exhale, hands to the heart. Breathe. I am invigorated. Last one. Let's do it. Inhale, reach up. You got it. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, top of a push-up. Inhale, push forward. Exhale, lower. Inhale, back bend. Exhale, lower. Inhale, push up. Exhale, down dog. Good. Make your way to the front of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, hands to the heart. Take a couple cleansing breaths. Come back to your breathing. Close your eyes. Thank yourself for practicing today. Namaste, yogi. Yogi, you did an amazing job today. Thank you so much for spending some time with me. Did you know that this video is actually part of a 5-part series of videos designed to support you in incorporating yoga and its philosophy seamlessly and easily into your everyday life? All you have to do is click on the link in the description to get access to not only the videos, but also the supporting daily emails to help keep you on track. I'd love to continue supporting you in your yoga journey through this free training. I know how transformative yoga and its philosophy has been in my life, and I know it can be that same thing for you. Have an amazing day, yogi. Namaste.